The pros and cons of DIY cleaning versus hiring professionals. Why Komffy Maids might be your best bet. Cleaning your home or office can often be a daunting task. One that many people put off until the last possible moment, leading to a living or working space that's far from its optimal clean and tidy state. In such instances, you're often faced with the decision: should you roll up your sleeves and get into the nitty-gritty of DIY cleaning, or should you hire professionals to handle the job? To help you make an informed decision, let's dive into the pros and cons of both. But remember, every situation is unique, and your decision should ultimately reflect your specific needs, budget, and time constraints. Here at Komffy Maids, we've seen every kind of mess there is, and we're here to help guide you through this cleaning conundrum. DIY cleaning, the path of self-reliance. When we think about DIY cleaning, a few advantages immediately come to mind. Pros of DIY cleaning. 1. Cost saving. Arguably, the biggest draw for DIY cleaning is the potential for cost saving. All you need are cleaning supplies, which can be relatively inexpensive compared to hiring professional cleaners. 2. Flexibility. You can clean at your own pace when it's convenient for you. There's no need to coordinate with a professional cleaning services schedule. Cons of DIY cleaning. 1. Time-consuming. Cleaning thoroughly is a time-consuming task. You could end up spending hours scrubbing, dusting, and organizing when that time could be put to better use. 2. Lack of professional equipment. The kind of deep cleaning that professionals provide often requires specialized equipment, which can be expensive and impractical for occasional use. 3. Expertise. Certain types of cleaning, such as stain removal or cleaning delicate fabrics, can be difficult without the appropriate knowledge and skills. Professional cleaning, the path of expertise. When it comes to hiring professional cleaning services like Komffy Maids, the advantages can significantly outweigh the costs, especially for those leading busy lives or managing large properties. Pros of hiring professional cleaners. 1. Time saving. One of the most significant benefits of hiring a professional cleaning service is the time it frees up for you. With Komffy Maids, you can focus on your work, family, or hobbies while we ensure your living or working space stays spotless. 2. Quality of service. With professional cleaning services, you get a team of trained individuals who have the expertise and the right equipment to clean every nook and cranny effectively. We know how to deal with stubborn stains, delicate surfaces, and more. 3. Regular maintenance. With a service like Komffy Maids, you can schedule regular cleanings, ensuring your home or office stays clean consistently. Cons of hiring professional cleaners. 1. Cost. Hiring a professional cleaning service can be more expensive than DIY cleaning, but consider the quality of cleaning and the time you're saving. 2. Availability. You need to schedule your cleaning in advance, which may not be as flexible as DIY cleaning. Whether you choose DIY cleaning or professional cleaning services will depend on your unique circumstances. But if you value your time and want the highest standard of cleaning, a service like Komffy Maids might just be your best bet. At Komffy Maids, we provide top-notch cleaning services tailored to your specific needs. We believe in delivering excellence and building lasting relationships with our clients. So, if you're leaning towards hiring professionals for your next cleaning project, don't hesitate to contact us for a consultation. We're here to make your life a little more comfy.